Yo, what's up guys? I'm Henry. Welcome back with another tech related video. I'm wearing these cool magnetic Bluetooth earbuds from AUKEY. It's been a week since I'm using these and so far so good. I mean, they are very stylish and the color is neutral, is gray, and I love it. The package was very clean and simple. Just have a look. The box material feels so solid and the earbuds are the first thing you see after you open the box. Right under the earbuds, you'll see the earbuds box and the charger. Moreover, the package comes with 24-month warranty, the starting guide and the user manual. Everything so perfect. In the box there's also a pair of earplugs. Inside the package you will also find this squishy box where you can put your headphones inside, and that's pretty awesome. I mean, they get inside like real quick and they never get messy. The squishy box made of silicone is so nice to have. Your earbuds don't get messy and are well protected. The best thing I love about these magnetic Bluetooth is the word itself, magnetic. So they turn on when you separate them from each other and they turn off when you magnetize them with each other. And that's pretty cool because once you have set up your headphones with your phone, then everything goes so smoothly. So you separate them and they turn on automatically and they turn off when you decide to magnetize them back. So turn on, turn off. That's pretty cool. I mean, I love it. The sound quality is nice and the volume gets very high, and AUKEY recommends not using maximum volume to protect your ears and the longevity of your new earbuds. Once you stick them to your ears, they remain there without falling even if you are covered with sweat, since are made for sports as well. The battery life reaches 8 hours and takes 1.5 hours to charge up. You use the buttons on the earbuds to increase or decrease the volume, to answer decline calls or to change songs. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy my video, please give the thumbs up. It always does help a lot. And if you're enjoying my tech related videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech and to support me so I can bring more awesome stuff to you. I'm Henry. Have a good one. Peace.